there, it is December the 8th on a beautiful Saturday, and Andreas and I have had the Y job out, and we've been redoing the trailer so we can carry it when we have to, and everything fits, everything works, everything does exactly what it's doing. We've been cleaning and filling tires and checking fluids and doing everything we can possibly do to make this wonderful, because tomorrow is going to be its first official show. And that's at Marina Del Rey at Killer Shrimp. And if you haven't been there, it's a great place to go anyway. The food is fantastic. And we're going to be there from 10 until about 1 o'clock. It's only a very short show. We've won 3 best of shows in a row, and so we're kind of going for number 4 to see if we can win a 4th best of a show in the world. It's kind of fun. Anyhow, this is the front garage, and everything's getting redone here. All the exterior, a lot of the interior stuff, and I'm going to be redoing all the floors in both the garages. So that's about 4,000 square feet. Anyway, and there is your very favorite Andreas, farmer boy here, farmer boy. Anybody need a 1935 Farmel? We've got one. Anyway, just to show you the beautiful Y job. Had the paint all retaken care of, and the gentleman that did it, Richie, forgot to put on the radiator emblem. And it was, unfortunately, it didn't get delivered to me this week, so we're going to show it the first time without it. Maybe nobody will notice. We'll see, though. But anyhow, we're very happy, and we invite you all to come on down, say hello. You will enjoy it. It's a lot of fun, and we'll be seeing you.